How to remove powered by Shopify from footer. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and then navigate to your Shopify admin page. Once you're here, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Then from the Sales Channels section, click on your store. Then click on Themes. Once you're here, you need to scroll down to the current theme section, and from the Actions drop down, click on Edit Languages. Using the search bar, search for Powered by. And then scroll down to Links and click on the Powered by Shopify text field. And here you have a trick that you can use, which is just leave a blank space. And then once you do that, click on the Save button at the top right of the screen, and it will be saved as a transparent field, meaning nothing will be shown. So this means that the Powered by Shopify will be hidden from the footer. So that was it for this video. That's how you can hide and delete Powered by Shopify in your store footer. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.